So, Camille, and Martin, and Gidi, and Michael, and everyone who's worked on this is your game. We're doing the unboxing now. I've already opened the box from the back. This is your checkbox from Rexport. And I'll just open it now to see what's inside. Now, the cards are missing because they are still drying, but other than that, all components are there. We have the check rulebook. Looks good. We have the check cardboard tokens, and as you can see up here at the top, what we have done is that we have added a code so that there will be no more mistakes in the factory, and we can therefore assure that always the check version goes together. And then if you look here, you see that these are your check names. Let's go. Next thing is the game board, now with offset quality. And then we come here with the mission bag, Ziploc bags that are included with the game, 10 of them. The dice, 80 dice, translucent, 8 opaque black monster dice, and 72 translucent dice. And the 4 clan progress tracks. As said, what's missing are the cards. Have fun with the game. We will send this to you. The cards, once we get them, we will also send them. But we'll send this to you because it's great fun having the components in hand finally. Thank you.